Nowadays, Git has become a must-have tool for any developer, and knowing Git commands is essential for the developers to use Git to its full potential. There are hundreds of Git commands, but only a few significant commands are used regularly. In this video, you will learn the most helpful Git commands that will take you to the next level in development. 1. Git init. The git init command lets us create a new Git repository. This is the first command to start a new project in a GitHub repository. Go to the directory that contains your project files and run the git init command. 2. Git clone. Git clone creates a local working copy of the source code from a remote repository. When you clone a repository, the code will be automatically downloaded to your machine. This command will add the original location as a remote location so you can pull changes from it and push changes to it if you have the permission. 3. Git branch. Git branch lets us add a new branch to an existing branch, view all existing branches, and delete a branch. 4. Git checkout. The git checkout command allows us to switch to an existing branch or create and switch to a new branch. To achieve this, the branch you want to switch to should be present in your local system and the changes in your current branch should be committed or stashed before you make the switch. You can also use this command for checking out the files. 5. Git add. The git add command adds your changes in a file to the staging area where you can compare your local version and the version on the remote repository. Before you commit your new or modified file, it should be added to the staging area by using the git add command. 6. Git commit. Git commit saves the changes in your local repository. Every time you commit your code changes, you have to include a brief description of the changes made. This commit message helps others understand the changes that have been done. 7. Git push. The git push command pushes the committed file changes from the local repository to the remote repository so others can use them. It will also create a named branch in the remote repository if it does not exist. 8. Git pull. Git pull fetches the last uploaded changes from the remote server into the local repository so that you can have the latest updates from your teammates. 9. Git merge. The git merge command merges your branch with the parent branch. The parent branch can either be a development or master branch depending on your workflow. Before running the git merge command, you should be on the specific branch you want to merge with your parent branch. 10. Git status. Git status provides an overview of the current status of your repository. It returns your current branch name, whether your current branch is up to date or not, untracked files, changes that are staged and to be committed, changes that are not staged for commit. These are just but some of the most common Git commands. If you have some commands that you use all the time, please share them below in the comments section.